Here's some important questions that you should ask a spray foam roofing contractor that you're getting a bid from. The most important one, in my opinion, is do they have any references so that you can call and ask about their experience with that contractor, the work that they performed, and how well their roof is holding up. What is the roofing contractor's warranty on labor? What is the material manufacturer's warranty? And who is the manufacturer behind that warranty? And I would even go so far as to getting the contact information from their material manufacturer's rep so that you can call them and ask them about their products, their warranties, and also even about the contractor. Are they a member of any sort of roofing association like Western States Roofing or the National Roofing Contractors Association, or are they even a member of the Better Business Bureau? Is this roofing contractor claiming to be licensed, and if so, can they provide you a copy of that license up front? Will they give you an outlined and detailed proposal that gives you a thorough explanation of the work that's going to be performed, potential start dates, potential end dates, and also payment terms? Are they asking for any money up front? It's not an unusual thing for a contractor to ask for money up front. Typically 40 to 50% is what we ask our clients, but partial payments should typically only cover the materials and any deliveries. The end user or the client should be leery of paying for more than that up front.